Hello guys, this is William Agnew at Color Corner with another customer education segment here at Jekyll and Hyde, and what we're going to be talking about today is bodywork repair. That's right, bodywork repair. Now, a lot of people don't think about bodywork repair when it comes to wrapping your car or protecting your car with vinyl. But what you have to remember is that it's very important to have your car in a proper shape before you get it wrapped. Many times we have customers who need work done to the body of their car before they actually get it wrapped or protected. In this example, it's very important to understand you don't have to buy new parts every time you have body work that needs to be done. As a matter of fact, we can save you thousands upon thousands of dollars by repairing that on your vehicle before we actually wrap it. And we're going to show you a prime example of that in this next segment, which is a green Lamborghini that had to be repaired before it got wrapped. And Nick's going to talk a little bit about what that was and how we went about repairing it. With that said, this is William Agnew, Color Corner. I'll see you guys after the next segment.
We are here with this 2020 Huracan Evo. So this gentleman bought this vehicle in, he's about to get it wrapped with us, but we noticed that on his front flip, he's got a big crack. Instead of spending thousands of dollars, we're gonna fix it. So if you have a vehicle and you've got a little damage, there's ways that we can fix some of those damaged parts, wrap the vehicle so it looks new and you wouldn't be able to tell. So watch out for the post video on this. Once this vehicle is done, Will's gonna show you where the crack was and how it's gone, right? 2020 Hurricane, look at the post video and see what happens next.